Hello viewers, welcome back to R.H. Educational channel once again. Dear viewers, do you know how to say judge in Arabic? Do you know how to say liar in Arabic? Do you know how to say accountant in Arabic? Do you know how to say actor in Arabic? If you don't know, please completely see this video. Dear viewers, I came today with a new topic regarding common profession in Arabic language. Through this video, you will gain complete knowledge about common profession in Arabic language, like how to say teacher in Arabic and how to say student in Arabic. So let's begin. So first we learn judge. For judge we use in Arabic qadi. Qadi means judge. Then see liar. For liar we use in Arabic muhami. Muhami means liar. Then see actor. For actor we use in Arabic mumathil. Mumathil means actor. Now see artist. For artist we use in Arabic fannan. Fannan means artist. Now see teacher. For teacher there are two words in Arabic language and these are muallim or mudarris. Muallim or mudarris means teacher. Now see student. Also for a student there are two words in Arabic language and these are talibu ilm or tilmid. Talibu ilm or tilmid means student. Now see soldier. For soldier there are also two words in Arabic language and these are jundi or askari. Jundi or askari means soldier. Now see policeman. For policeman there are also two words in Arabic language and these are shurti or rajulu amn. Shurti or rajulu amnin means policeman. Now see accountant. For accountant we use in Arabic muhasib. Muhasib means accountant. Now see astronaut. For astronaut we use in Arabic R.H.EDUCATION fida'in. R.H.EDUCATION fida'in means astronaut. Now see athlete. For athlete we use in Arabic riyadi. Riyadi means athlete. Now see fireman. For fireman we use in Arabic itfa'i. Itfa'i means fireman. Now see singer. For singer we use in Arabic mughanni. Mughanni means singer. Now photographer. For photographer we use in Arabic musawwir. Musawwir means photographer. Now see painter. For painter we use in Arabic rassam. Rassam means painter. Now see porter. For porter we use in Arabic hammal. Hammal means porter. Now see tailor. For tailor we use in Arabic khayyat. Khayyat means tailor. Now see technician. For technician we use in Arabic fanni. Fanni means technician. Now see chef. For chef we use in Arabic R.H.EDUCATION. R.H.EDUCATION means chef. Now see baker. For baker we use in Arabic khubbaz. Khubbaz means baker. Now see cook. For cook we use in Arabic tabbakh. Tabbakh means cook. Now see waiter. For waiter we use in Arabic nadil. Nadil means waiter. Now see waitress. For waitress we use in Arabic nadila. Nadila means waitress. Now see fishmonger. For fishmonger we use in Arabic tajirus samak. Tajirus samak means fishmonger. Now see servant. For servant we use in Arabic khadim. Khadim means servant. Now see maid servant. For maid servant we use in Arabic khadima. Khadima means maid servant. Now see blacksmith. For blacksmith we use in Arabic haddad. Haddad means blacksmith. Now see carpenter. For carpenter we use in Arabic najjar. Najjar means carpenter. Now see cleaner. For cleaner we use in Arabic munazzif. Munazzif means cleaner. Driver. For driver we use in Arabic sa'iq. Sa'iq means driver. So this is enough for today. I hope you understood very well some common profession in Arabic language through this video. So see you again with a new topic in next class. Thank you very much.